As part of .NET Maui, we also have a couple of layouts that are derived from stack layout. They are called horizontal stack layout and vertical stack layout. I have created a new project with the name horizontal vertical stack layout demo, and I have created a couple of pages. The first one called horizontal stack layout demo, and the second one called vertical stack layout demo. Let's proceed to see precisely this type of layouts. This type of layout, as I mentioned before, are derived from the stack layout. This means that we can use these stack layouts in case we know that the orientation of the elements is going to be horizontal or vertical. The advantage of using these layouts is that they have a better performance than a stack layout, since each of these layouts is specifically optimized to work with horizontal or vertical elements. First, let's examine horizontal stack layout. We will proceed to copy this element a few more times. Let's place this page as the home page to see how those changes we have applied look. Let's start the application. Here we see the results of this execution, and we see precisely that each of the label elements are being arranged in a horizontal format. Let's proceed to look at the second page, which is this page called vertical stack layout demo. And let's change the stack layout element to the vertical stack layout element. We're going to proceed once again to copy this label element, and we're going to paste it a few times, and we're going to change the initial page to vertical stack layout demo. We start once again the execution of the application, and we see that this time the elements are being stacked in a vertical format. As I said before, if you know that you're going to use only one type of alignment, for example horizontal for the elements, I recommend you to use horizontal stack layout instead of the normal stack layout, and if you know that the elements are going to be in a vertical format, in the same way use vertical stack layout so that you have a better performance as part of your application.